Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how 3D border using multiple strokes. Duplicate your shape 3 times and apply a light color stroke to keep the top layer. Use a medium tone for the second layer and add a darker stroke to the third. Align all 3 layers perfectly. Now reduce fill of the top 1 to 0. You will get layered 3D border effect, and also add drop shadows for realism. Play with different strokes, thickness. It gives illusion for light and depth. This trick works for icons and buttons. Combine with subtle textures for more realism. Save the layer style for future projects. Every layer plays its role in depth creation.